If you're seeking a memorable experience in Tuscany, this is the perfect place for you. Standing tall at 42 meters, the Salvucci Tower is one of the most iconic towers in San Gimignano. Today, it's the only tower that has been converted into an apartment. The tower boasts 11 floors and 143 steps. So let's go check it out. My name is Sean. Welcome to Boundaries Unlimited. The Salvucci Tower has 11 floors and over 143 steps. So we're gonna start from the bottom. The first level is kind of like a lobby. I guess you can leave all your bags here. You can lock this door. Now, let's start the steps. All right, so we get to the second level, and what you have here is the kitchen dining room. Every floor is gonna be a little small. You gotta remember, this is a tower converted into an apartment. But you have a full kitchen, a dining table, and a good view. What else do you want? Let's keep on going up. This floor is kind of like a upper balcony for the dining room. I'm not really sure what else this room would be. Another cool point, they have like little holes on every level. Some of the holes actually have some birds that made a nest and a home in some of them. Next floor is the first bathroom. You have a shower, you have a toilet. All right, let's keep on going up. These were the joist holes. That's what they were. All right, let's continue our climb. Kind of lost track of what floor I'm at this point. I think I'm on the fourth. Just another hangout spot. Let's continue the climb, shall we? I did say 143 steps. This is actually my third time. Okay, so fifth floor, we have reached the first bedroom. Has bunk beds, so 2 people could sleep here. I wouldn't suggest any more than 2. I think they only allow you to have 3 guests here anyways. All right, let's keep on climbing. Now we reach the master suite for the king of the castle, or the king of the tower. This will be my room right here. So here's your, I guess it's kind of like a full bed, and look at that view, guys. And that's why you pay the money and just kind of have the experience if you're gonna come stay in a tower. I mean, most of the time people go explore towers, but you get to actually stay the night, overnight, in a famous tower, the Twin Towers. And I'm not talking about Lord of the Rings, the Twin Salvucci Towers. All right, let's keep on climbing. Now we have reached the office level, which I don't know if I'd really be doing a whole lot. It's kind of depressing because it's dark. There's no window up here, so I think it's just kind of a lot of filler rooms. Again, this is a tower. Okay, let's keep on going up. And up here we have a much needed half bathroom, because if you're on the top floor drinking some wine, as you should, you're not allowed to take a leak off the top of the tower. That is frowned upon in San Gimignano. Okay, so let's keep on going up. Remember guys, 143 steps. We've reached almost the very top level. This is kind of another kitchen, coffee bar, wine bar, and here's the reason why you stay in this place. And this, guys, is the reason why you stay in one of the Twin Salvucci Towers, is the view of Tuscany. Trust me, the best way to experience Tuscany is be at a high vantage point to enjoy the great views with a nice Chianti wine or your drink of choice and watch the sunset. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're planning a trip to Tuscany and you want a unique experience and don't expect any luxury, definitely consider staying in one of the Twin Salvucci Towers, because look at this view, guys. How would this not make the experience? So if you stayed here, let me know in the comments below what you thought of it. If you liked the video, please give it a like. Comment below for anything else that you want to comment, and subscribe for more, because you're not going to want to miss out to where we head, you know the word, next. See you guys later. I walked all 143 steps multiple times to film this video. So please give it a like.